Hi, my dear YouTube fragrance friends. Today, my friends, I have two perfumes. It's like two new perfumes, and I will be opening one of them. So, like for example, this one. I think I will choose that one. It's a Ardal Zaafaraan perfume. The name of it is Dar Al Haye. You know, like I really don't know what does it mean, but it's Middle Eastern perfume, and this one is Huruf Al Hubum by the, let's see, by what? By Ardal Zaafaraan. So they both are by Ardal Zaafaraan, guys. And this one has a beautiful bottle. That's the one that I will be opening right now, and we will see what it is. We will see, guys, what it is. None of them are very popular, you know, as I understand. Like, none of them are very popular. But you know what? They are not very popular, but they are very affordable. So for that reason, guys, I bought it, and let's see how it goes. I will open it, one of them. So in the notes, guys, I have my screen on there. So like in the notes, we will see vanilla citrus. You know, there is vanilla citrus, which is great. I assume this perfume to be easygoing, simple, and you know, the bottle, I assume it to be also the bottle sometimes just breaks down, you know, of Middle Eastern, affordable Middle Eastern perfumes. Like, something usually happens. Either the sprayer becomes broken or something. It's always happening to me with those affordable perfumes, but that's the price to pay, guys. And that's the box expiration date. Like, first thing that I go for is expiration date, to have a look if my perfume that I bought is way expired or not. So it's not expired. It's actually 2027 July is expiration date, which is actually great. I'm very pleased by that. Like, and then we have this thing, like, which means is maybe, you know, a real type of situation. Let's figure it out how to open. So the name of it is it's written new, and then it's written Dar Al Haye. You know, so let's open this one. And on the packaging we have these type of things. I don't know, guys, which way to open. Let's see. We are going to open this particular perfume without breaking it. You know, like you have to really try to not break it at all, the perfume. And once I am opening, you see this brilliant cap of the perfume, which is the characteristics of this bottle that actually can really makes it kind of interesting. So that's the perfume. I really like those type of you know, like a pompons. Like I have two perfumes with this type of beautiful pompon, and I really hope that, you know, the bottle, the way it looks, it will be the thing that not only the bottle will be a good type of presentation, but also the smell inside would be also something that I will enjoy and I will reach for. I will, let me bring it closer for you guys. Isn't it nice, this perfume? You know, the way it looks, like as it would be standing on your like shelves, you know, like it will really kind of captures your attention, isn't it? So there is a leaflet too. So let's see what's this in this leaflet. So like they put those leaflets there as well. So like so which perfume do you have, guys, already? Like, from this line, these are pretty new ones. I'm actually very surprised that not many of them I have, even though I have quite a lot already, but not one. So I have this one, Bint Al Horan, which is simple perfume, not too much exciting. And then I have smelled that one. This one didn't surprise me at all. It's for man. I have this one, but I like another version with the pompon, you know, another version, the red oud, that has a pompon. So I really prefer that one, and I don't use this one that much. And then I don't have, guys, I don't have any of those, believe me or not, which is so strange. So strange. And I have so many Ardal Zaafaraan perfumes, but none of them are showing here. So what they are showing, like, is some kind of new versions of the perfumes that I have never seen, you know. It's so interesting. Don't you think it's interesting? I'm very surprised, guys, by this situation. Anyway, so let's go into the perfume right now. So Dar Al Haye perfume. So in the notes, like you can see, guys, there would be like vanilla. I'm gonna read it for you. There will be vanilla, citrus, powdery, amber, woody, sweet. It's like a notes, balsamic. So in those notes, so it says like fragrance for women. So obviously this perfume is a fragrance for women, and top notes would be lime and patchouli. So something citrusy, something patchouli would be deep one. So how would they match, guys? And then you would see vanilla sandalwood, which is nice, and then amber and musk. I don't like musk, guys, but let's see how it goes. So the description would be amber is an elegant perfume, and then basically it's a new perfume to express the personality of the woman who asserts her creativity and her merit with a confidence. So, they choose those beautiful words there. And then basically it wants to express the spontaneous charm that characterizes the Ardal Zaafaraan style. The perfumers, they develop the subtle and seductive fragrance, and then top note opens slightly with the lime and then patchouli, and then they repeat everything, whatever they like, sandalwood, vanilla, and then the base note is formed with the musk, amber, and so musk and amber would be the note from the brand. So let's see, guys. I'm going to smell it right now, and we will see. I'm gonna tell you guys if I'm surprised or not. Not much. I can feel it right now, so I'm going to do it right now, guys. So I'm not surprised, guys. So you can feel lime with the muskiness and very easy going perfume that doesn't surprise at all, like a lightweight. It reminds me a lot of Bint Horan, that perfume Bint Horan. I show you which one. Bint Horan. So this one, so reminds me of this Bint Al Horan perfume, but less deep. This one is less deep, and even it seems to be having like less value, type of, because this perfume to me wasn't the one that would surprise me a lot. So this one is already like it's as if it would be a faded version of that one, and really I can feel a lot of like lime. Okay, there's a musk and stuff like that. I don't know where's amber. This perfume, guys, didn't surprise me even at the least, kind of type of going to the situation that I'm not surprised at all of this perfume, and not pleased by purchasing, because this perfume it doesn't have a surprise element. That's the problem. It doesn't have any surprise element, guys. And also this perfume is just simply like a lime type of note, lime, and I don't think, guys, this perfume I will be enjoying to wear very much. It's only on those days when I will want to maybe something completely easygoing perfume, that maybe won't give any compliments at all. No, guys, I don't feel that I will be like liking this perfume, only because of that fact that it's absolutely not interesting perfume with too little notes, and that lime, is that all what you feel, and that type of cheap musk, like nothing, guys. Like, I don't know how you feel. Let's see if there are people that would be saying anything, guys, about this perfume. A little bit of waste of money I feel of this perfume. They say it's moderate type of lasting power. So they say lime, vanilla, and sandalwood is a gorgeous perfume and divine. It projects for 10 minutes and then within 2 hours disappears. That's how it feels. It's really light, watered down. That's how it feels, like very watered down. And then it almost identical to Jazab Gold, which is true actually. Almost identical, but Jazab Gold will last longer. So as if it would be watered down Jasab Gold type of situation. I would prefer Jasab Gold, which I have actually. So this one, so some people say it's lovely sillage, but actually, so what I like about this perfume is the, you know, the bottle, but I don't like the real results of this perfume, because it seems like it will be watered down versions of those other perfumes that already exist, and those that perfumes that existing are not extremely surprising, you know, in a way too. So this one is even less surprising as well. So that would be the results. And thank you very much, guys. I will come back to you another time. Bye bye, guys. See you soon.